Hello everyone, I'm here today with Northwest Decks to give you a step-by-step guide for sanding a wooden deck. Deck sanding is a great way to revitalize a deck that is suffering from scratches or chipped paint and can give the wood a new life. If you're planning to sand your deck, you'll need a few tools. A belt or orbital sander will be necessary for the bulk of the work, as well as a smaller handheld sanding block for corners and edges. You'll also need safety gear, such as goggles and a dust mask, and basic cleaning tools like a broom and deck cleaner. The first step to a proper deck sanding is to clean the deck. Using either a low-powered pressure washer or a manual scrub brush and deck cleaning solution. You'll need to give the deck time to dry before you begin sanding. Once your deck is clean and dry, inspect the deck for any loose nails, fasteners, or rotting boards that need to be replaced. If everything is in order, you'll want to start with a sandpaper between 60 and 80 grit. This will help remove any rough patches, old paint, or other imperfections. If you're looking for an extra smooth finish, you can follow up with a finer grit between 100 and 120. Never use a grit higher than 120, as this will prevent the wood from properly absorbing stain and sealant. For the bulk of the sanding process, you'll want to use either an orbital or a belt sander. Be sure to keep the sander moving at a consistent pace and work with the grain. Once the bulk is finished, do some detail work with the handheld sanding block, being sure to sand edges, corners, steps, and railings. Once this is finished, you'll need to sweep and use a shop vac to remove the dust, and then wipe the deck down with a damp cloth. The final step is to apply a stain and sealant. Untreated wood will not hold up to outside weather. For more information on proper application of stains and sealants, check out our video, How to Stain a Deck. Be sure to give your deck up to 48 hours to dry before resuming use. While deck sanding can be a time-consuming process, it's often a necessary part of proper wooden deck maintenance. If you live in Western Washington and would rather have a professional take care of your deck maintenance, reach out to our team at Northwest Decks by visiting their website at northwestdecks.com. Thank you.